Hi, boys and girls. We're going to do more making 10 and finding the 10 friends. So the first one, we're going to put 2 dots in the 10 frame, and then we're going to count how many extra there are. 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's put 8 in this with blank. On the next one, we're going to put 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many are blank? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 4. The next one, we really don't need to fill out the 10 frame because anything plus 0 just stays the same. So 0 plus 10 equals 10. All right, here we go. We're going to put 4 dots on the 10 frame, and then we're going to fill in the rest. So we have 5, 6. 6 is the number that we are missing. And on the last one, we don't have to really do anything here either because we know that this is a doubles. So 5 plus what is 10? It's 5. Very good. All right, let's take a look on the back. 8 plus 1. What is 8 plus 1? That is 9. So we know that 1 plus 8 also is 9. Let's do 5 plus 3. Put your catch 5 and count up 3. Ready? 5. What's the answer? 8. So then we also know that 3 plus 5 is 8. Okay. 4 plus 2. Catch 4, count up 2. Ready? 4. That's 6. So 2 plus 4 is also 6. On the next problem, we have 7 plus 2. Let's catch 7 and count up 2. Ready? 7. The answer is 9. Very good. So that means that the other answer for 7 plus 2 would also be 9. Okay. 6 plus 4, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10. So this answer is also 10. Very good, boys and girls. Please make sure your name is at the top and turn it into the basket and start working on your dream box.